Ayan, so hello everyone. So I'm here with
Matthew,
Ashley,
Chadimer C. Calmon,
Josiah Anggot,
Malmo Mings Reyes,
Sophia Angela Cruz.
Ayan, so before we start, I will say thank you for taking this opportunity, of course, to ask you guys. So I just have two questions that I want to ask you. First is, what can you tell about the teachers of St. Francis?
The teachers here in St. Francis is very understanding, considerate when it comes to students. And also, at first, akala mo stricto talaga sila, like super nakakatakot. Pero pag nakilala mo na talaga sila, may kita mo na sobrang sweet nila and caring nila and super alaga din sa mga students.
I think that the teachers here in St. Francis are very productive, very enthusiastic, and hardworking.
yeah, especially dun sa mga teachers sa kinder, prep, no, kaya nilang pacing yung kulit ng mga kids, no, so yeah, I would like to big respect for them, teachers from kinder to senior high.
For me, they're very kind and dedicated to their work. And sa mga students naman nila, they're very approachable naman sila and okay naman sila magturo.
So thank you. So one last question is, can you give a short message lang to the teachers, of course, for the Teachers' Day?
So, ayan, I want to express how grateful I am po sa mga teachers, not only here in St. Francis, but of course, sa lahat na po na teachers sa buong mundo. Kasi kitang-kita po namin lahat ng efforts nila, lahat ng pagpupuyat, lahat ng consideration, and especially yung commitment nila when it comes to teaching students and pag-build up sa kanila para maging better citizen sila in the future. So,
Short message for the teachers, siguro, I want to thank all the teachers out there from around the world, no, their hard work and courage to teach us always, and without them, wala tayo.
at syempre, una-una sa lahat, thank you sa mga teachers. And thank you for making sure na habang nagpo-focus kami sa studies namin, nag-i-enjoy rin kami at the same time.
I just wanna appreciate yung effort nila magturo and yung mga sinasacrifice nilang time para maggawa ng mga lessons nila or mga quizzes, activities, ganyan. Gusto ko lang po pati lahat ng teachers na Happy Teachers Day po, and you deserve a day off para sa mga sacrifice nyo po.
Happy Teachers Day po!
Happy Teachers Day po!
Happy Teachers Day!